Hey there, it's your girl, Green Waifu, back with another dose of financial wisdom. Today we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the world of personal finance. Robinhood, the trading app. So if you've been curious about what this app is all about, you're in the right place. First things first, what is Robinhood? Well, it's not just a legendary outlaw from English folklore. It's also a mobile app designed to make investing accessible to everyone. Robinhood has been turning heads, especially among young adults. Why? Because it offers commission-free trading, which means you can buy and sell stocks, exchange traded funds, and even cryptocurrencies without paying hefty fees. It's like having your very own trading platform right in your pocket. First, let's talk about the pros, the things that make Robinhood shine. 1. Commission-free trades. This is a game changer, especially for new investors. Traditional brokerage firms often charged substantial commissions for each trade, eating into your profits. With Robinhood's commission-free trading, you can invest without worrying about these costs. This is not only cost-effective, but also a great way to encourage more people to start investing. It allows you to trade more frequently without the fear of high fees. Let's say you want to buy shares of a tech company. With a traditional broker, you might have had to pay a $1.10 commission per trade. If you bought 100 worth of shares, that $1.10 fee represents a significant percentage of your investment. With Robinhood, you can invest that same 100 without any additional charges. Whether you're looking to buy shares of your favorite company or dabble in cryptocurrencies, it's cost-effective, especially for beginners. 2. User-friendly interface. Robinhood is as user-friendly as it gets. The app's user-friendly interface is vital, especially for those who are new to investing. The stock market can seem intimidating with complex charts and financial jargon. Robinhood's clean and straightforward interface simplifies the process of buying and selling stocks. It makes financial markets more accessible to a broader audience, empowering beginners to take control of their investments. If you're just starting out, you might not be familiar with stock symbols, price charts, or order types. Robinhood's easy-to-navigate interface helps you overcome these barriers. You can search for your favorite companies, see real-time prices, and place orders with just a few taps on your smartphone. 3. Fractional shares. The ability to buy fractional shares is a fantastic feature for those who can't afford to purchase full shares of high-priced companies like Amazon or Google. By investing in fractions of shares, you can own a piece of these high-value stocks without needing thousands of dollars. This is a game changer for those who want to diversify their portfolio with a limited budget. Imagine if one share of a popular tech company costs $2,000. With fractional shares, you can invest 100 and own a 5% stake in that company. This flexibility means you can spread your investment across various companies, industries, or asset classes, even if you only have a small amount to invest. 4. Educational resources. The stock market can be daunting for beginners. Robinhood understands this and provides valuable educational resources. These include articles, videos, and even a dedicated learning section. By offering knowledge and insights into investing, Robinhood helps you make informed decisions and understand the principles of the financial world. You might be interested in understanding how dividends work or how to analyze a company's financial statements. Robinhood's educational content can help you grasp these concepts. Learning about investing not only enhances your confidence, but also improves your ability to create a well-rounded portfolio. 5. Variety of investment options. Variety is the spice of life, and it's true in investing too. Robinhood's broad range of investment options allows you to diversify your portfolio to match your financial goals and risk tolerance. From traditional stocks to options, exchange-traded fund, and even cryptocurrencies, you can explore different avenues of investment. Let's say you're bullish on a particular industry, like renewable energy. Robinhood allows you to invest in stocks of renewable energy companies. If you're looking for less risky options, you can explore exchange-traded funds that track various market indices. If you want to venture into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can do that too, all within the same app. Now let's switch gears and talk about the cons, the not-so-shiny aspects of Robinhood. 1. The Gamestop frenzy. During the Gamestop frenzy of 2020, Robinhood came under intense scrutiny and faced widespread criticism. The app temporarily halted buying of Gamestop and several other meme stocks due to extreme market volatility. This decision sparked outrage among users who felt they were being denied the opportunity to invest. This event highlighted the potential downsides of commission-free trading. While Robinhood aims to make investing accessible, its decision to halt trading left many users feeling that they were at the mercy of the platform. It raised questions about the reliability and stability of the app during critical market moments. 2. Payment for order flow. Payment for order flow may sound like a complex financial term, but it's essential to grasp. Robinhood generates a significant portion of its revenue by selling customer orders to market makers. In simpler terms, this means the platform may not always secure the best price for your trades. While this practice is common among brokerage firms, some users have expressed concerns about potential conflicts of interest. This practice raises questions about whether the best interests of the users are always prioritized. Some have criticized it for creating potential conflicts where the broker may favor routing orders to market makers, offering the most lucrative deals for the platform, rather than getting users the best price for their trades. Users need to be aware of how brokers generate income and whether it aligns with their interests. 3. Limited research tools. Robinhood is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for beginners. However, it might not meet the needs of seasoned investors. The platform lacks extensive research tools and in-depth analysis typically found in more advanced brokerage platforms. If you're eager to perform thorough company research, you may find the app limiting. Advanced investors may require comprehensive research tools to make informed decisions. The absence of in-depth research resources can hinder users looking to perform in-depth analysis of stocks or other investment options. It's important for users to consider their own investment strategies and whether Robinhood's offerings align with their research needs. 4. Limited account types. Robinhood primarily caters to individual taxable accounts. This can be limiting for those interested in various types of investment accounts, such as IRAs, individual retirement accounts, or trusts. Different investors have diverse financial goals that may require various types of accounts. Robinhood's focus on taxable accounts means it may not be the ideal platform for someone seeking tax-advantaged retirement accounts or looking to manage investments for multiple beneficiaries. Users should consider their long-term financial objectives when deciding if Robinhood aligns with their needs. 5. Customer support. Customer support is a critical aspect of any service, and Robinhood's support system has been a point of contention. Some users have reported difficulties in reaching support when they needed assistance, and this can be especially frustrating during critical moments in the market. In the world of investing, timely assistance can be crucial. If users encounter problems with their accounts or need clarification on a particular issue, quick and efficient customer support is vital. The reported difficulties with Robinhood's customer support have raised concerns about the platform's ability to provide timely assistance to its users, especially during periods of market stress. In a nutshell, Robinhood is an attractive option for young investors and beginners who want a user-friendly, commission-free platform. However, it's not without its drawbacks, including concerns related to the Gamestop incident and payment for order flow. As with any financial decision, it's crucial to do your research and carefully consider your needs and preferences. While Robinhood offers simplicity and accessibility, it may not meet the needs of more experienced investors or those with specific requirements. Ultimately, the choice of an investment platform depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and the kind of support and features you value most. Robinhood has its place in the financial world, but it's essential to be aware of both its strengths and limitations as you embark on your investment journey. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more financial insights. And hey, let me know in the comments what you think about Robinhood or any other investment app you'd like me to review next. Until next time, stay wise and invest responsibly. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.